the judge at any time. So you guys are going to do what now? Repeat that. You're going to go down?
I'm going to hand deliver the case file to the new judge.
Yes. And I want to be present when the case file is handed to him to give my side of the story.
He will contact you when he needs your side of the story.
No, it's not when he needs it. It's when I demand he hear my side of the story.
No, sir. He does not have to see you.
Yes, he does. I am an attorney. There's illegal action going on in the court. You people have committed crimes against me, federal crimes against me, and I demand something be done. I want in front of this judge, period.
We will convey everything that you've said to the judge. That's all we can say right now. That's all we can do.
So you're denying me to get in front of this judge is what you're saying.
We're not the judge. That's up to the judge to determine who he wants to talk to.
You're getting pretty angry, Jane, man. Why don't you calm down?
Well, aren't you one to talk?
I am calm. I've been talking rational the whole time.
I've had enough. Get out.
You haven't had enough. You're my employee. You're going to listen to what I have to say.
I don't have to listen to them.
You drove to my property, did you not? Did you not drive to my property March 21st? Sir, don't interrupt me.
No, I am going to.
You were down to my property. I'm not done. You don't tell me when I'm done. You drove to my property March 21st, did you not?
I drove down there for the only reason to see the property, to see what was in question.
Yeah. And what is your opinion?
I have no opinion.
Did you ask me to remove the gate to come back up here to talk to you to get the city straight, that I was doing exactly what the city said I could when they arrested me?
I don't.
Did the city not say that I could put up a fence? And you come down and you ask me to please remove the fence until I come up here that next day to get everybody up to speed in the city, that I can do exactly what I was doing, and there was no right for anybody to be down there to touch my property and arrest me. I was putting up a fence that the city said I could put up.
Take down the fence to not escalate the problem.
Jane come down there, and since we were, communicating and pretty much friends, stop over-talking me, officer.
Hey, wait a minute.
Stop over-talking me.
Hold on. Look, here's what you got to understand. He nor either one, we don't have any jurisdiction.
He has the jurisdiction and authority to arrest these people for committing federal crimes.
No, he doesn't. He'd have to have a court order.
No, he doesn't. I'm a citizen asking him to do a citizen's arrest. Don't you know the law? What is the law on a citizen's arrest?
But I have to have a arrest warrant based on your charges. I haven't observed any of this. For me to make an arrest in person, I have to observe the crime. Otherwise, I need a warrant.
What is the legal ramifications for me to do a citizen's arrest? Can I do a citizen's arrest when I find out somebody has committed a crime?
I'm not 100% sure on citizen's
Well, you just said that you were sure that you can't citizens arrest anybody. You can't help me.
I can't arrest anybody without.
But you can assist me in a citizen's arrest right now. Let's just give it for instance. If Jane assaulted me, we could citizen's arrest her right now, right?
If she assaulted you in front of me, then I could.
No, not in front of you or anything else. I'm saying that she assaulted me.
Just,
I want to know the law, man. We're public people. You know the law. You're enforcing stuff. Tell me.
Leave it alone until we hear back from the judge.
I'm not leaving it alone. It's been left alone for 2 years, and it's left in the hands of corrupt people that have destroyed my life for the last 2 years. Okay? I'm not putting up with it anymore. I'm not putting up with it anymore.
Thank you. I've heard your side of the story. We will convey.
So when are we going to see the judge?
When he calls me back after
Please don't raise your voice. Please lower your voice.
When he calls me back, when he's back from lunch out of court.
He's in court right now?
He's an attorney. He's a private attorney.
Where's his office? I'll go see him and I'll bring him all my evidence.
I'm not conveying that.
What?
He's not at his office anyway.
Well, like I say, you're going to give him this evidence. I need to sit down and explain my side of the story.
And he will do that once he has reviewed.
You're going to guarantee me he's going to see me today and hear my side of the story.
We can't guarantee he's going to see you today. We don't know what his schedule is. I'm not his secretary.
I'm under a deadline here, and I need to get this conviction overturned.
We're doing everything.
It's not anything.
We have done everything that we can do at the moment.
And including threaten to arrest me.
No.
Yes, you did. Okay, you didn't threaten to arrest me. Okay, man, I'm fucking crazy. I know it. This is private now. I got freedom of speech. I can say whatever the fuck I want.
Within limits.
No, yeah, within limits, as long as I don't threaten nobody. I'm sick of people turncoating on me here, and I'm not going to tolerate it anymore. I'm asking you law officers to uphold your oaths and to arrest these people for the crimes against me and to have all the evidence you need to arrest these people. Okay? Just like the conversation with Danny.
Your main goal is to get your conviction overturned, correct? That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, and I want these people held responsible for illegally
And that will be up to
And
the
fraudulently,
judge to
and
decide.
fraudulently, you know what I mean? The judge works for the city, basically, man. So why is he going to try to cut the city's throat?
He's supposed to be a judge. He's supposed
Why is he going to uphold the law when Breland didn't? When Breland violated the law and my rights, why is this judge going to be any different?
I can't answer that because I wasn't here when any of that happened.
Okay, Danny says he's going to be at the court tonight, right, Dan?
Yeah, he'll be in court tonight.
Okay, I'm going to request Danny be by my side at all times for a witness and for protection. Okay, because I've already been molested and illegally arrested and abused by the police department here. Okay, and I trust Danny.
That's fine.
Okay, I want Danny with me everywhere I go because if I need somebody to testify for me or somebody to say this was said or that was said, I believe this man will be honest. Okay? Why did you threaten to arrest me in there?
Because you were getting loud and boisterous and using profanity.
I didn't use a bit of profanity when we were in there talking.
You probably need to back it up and listen to your report.
I'll listen to my recording, but I will promise you I didn't use no profanity in front of you or Jane. I know I did. So why did you threaten to arrest me?
Because you were getting loud and boisterous and using profanity.
Well, your false statement that I used profanity, so what's the other?
Were you loud and boisterous and in a public place?
No.
That's not a public place?
It is a public place, but what do you determine as loud and boisterous? I told you that I was raising my voice because it seemed like you were having difficulty hearing and understanding me, you and
I'm
Jane
not
both.
going to debate the...
But you wanted to arrest me, but now you don't want to debate.
That's right. That's what the judge in the court is for, is debate the case.
No, we're debating. Well, I want to discuss why you threatened to arrest me in there.
I have no further comments.
You have no further comments of why you threatened to arrest me in there. And you called Danny up there to assist you to arrest me. But yet you failed to do so.
All right.
If you think there's an arrestable offense, I'll hand you my gun right now and you can arrest me. You want to do that? You can take my gun right off my side right now. My arm is up. You see what I'm doing? If there's an arrestable offense, arrest me right now.
You calm down.
I am calm. Okay, I was calm in there.
And I told you that if you calm down, then that would be okay.
But you still threatened with arrest.
No, I informed. I said, if you do not calm down, you are subject to arrest. That
If you do not shut up, I'm going to kick your ass. That's not a threat.
It's called a condition.
Is that?
You met the condition and calm down. I'm through discussing this right now.
I appreciate you never threaten me again, servant, okay? I'm not being a jerk, but remember, you are my public servant.
That's
correct? Okay.
I'm everybody's public servant.
Exactly.
And everybody gets treated the same as much as possible.
Okay, I appreciate you. And like I say, I'm trying to show nothing but respect, but I demand respect myself as well.
I understand.
Okay? I've never had an issue with Danny. I've never had an issue with anybody in this city besides the corrupt board, a corrupt prosecutor, and a corrupt judge. Okay?
All right.
I've been trying to bring this to your attention for quite a while. I tried to when you first come into office, when Joe was on his way out. Like I say, I'm not tolerating this anymore, and you are law enforcement. You're supposed to uphold the law and the Constitution. These people violated my constitutional rights, and they broke federal law. Okay? Do you got a copy of that you're going to give the judge tonight so you're going to swear out warrants for these people's arrest?
I had given that statement. It's with the file that the judge will review today.
Okay. Is there anything else that we need to do, or is there anything else that I can proceed further with to resolve this issue?
Not at the moment, not till we hear back from the judge.
So you're going to contact me when the judge contacts you so I can meet him in chambers tonight, or?
If that's what he decides, yes, sir.
Well, I know you can't speak for the judge, but I am demanding that this get resolved tonight.
I understand.
It's been 2 years, man. They've lied in federal, they've upheld their lie in federal court. And you all think, oh, hey, the feds ruled against you, Don, you must be wrong. No, I'm not wrong. It's the corrupt legal system that we're all part of.
All right.
And like I say, I'm not some conspiracy theorist or anything else or some crazy nutcase out there. Everything that I am telling you and how I've acted out is totally rational in accordance with what I've been through. And nobody is listening. Nobody is paying attention. That's why in there, I told you, I will become louder and louder until I am heard. Okay? If I have to start screaming to be heard, that's what I will start doing.
Well, Like you said, that's completely within your rights.
Exactly. I have freedom of speech. I have a lot of freedoms that the police department, in my opinion right now, is assisting the city of Poplarville into violating my rights and violating federal law. Okay?
Okay, I have a meeting I need to get to, so